parts going on the Mexico Blue Cobra. So it's starting to take shape. You can see everything's going to be blacked out. It's looking pretty neat. Some problems with some gaskets and stuff around the roll bar and a few other things that, as usual, but you know, it's always something.
Looks like they are. Yeah, it comes. Yeah, it comes straight. Hopefully we can come in, hold it. Now you're passing.
Yeah.
And
Now, dropping it down a bit. Yeah, I got it.
okay, so now we can lower, right? You got it. You want? Yeah, find one.
Actually, I'm installing this relay because we're putting on a new style, newer starter. So the starter has the solenoid built in onto the starter, and it needs a relay to take up the load feeding that solenoid, as opposed to the older design, which had firewall mounted or fender wall mounted solenoid that it would just feed power straight to the solenoid, to the main feed. This one has a power to the solenoid and a power to the main feed, right? So it's more efficient, and it's a smaller starter versus the, you know, the earlier design, which was a bigger starter, heavier. You know, everything was different, right, back then. Back then, transmissions were built with cast iron. They were really heavy, right? That was real men with big mustaches, right? Now, you got these little skinny guys with all aluminum, so that everybody wants aluminum because, oh my God, cast iron's so heavy. But I guess guys back then, they were stronger because they had to pick up these things, right? Yeah. Let go? All right, there we go. Now we should be good. All right? All right, let's do this again. One more time. Yeah, it went into the next pocket.
Okay, one more time like you mean it.
All right.
motor too.
Yeah.